Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, makeup pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem, I get tough in the morning.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this wig. I can't wait to show you guys how I install this wig. Before I get into my install portion, I want to show you what came in the packaging. Look how fluffy this is. You don't even see the video yet and you need it. Yes. So this is Curlymehair. Curlymehair sent me over this wig. I collaborated with them before and I have a previous video with them and I absolutely love their packaging. It comes with an information pamphlet. This was in the wig, but because I washed the wig, I took it out. It came with some lashes. They're top tier when it comes to packaging. They give you a wig cap so you can make sure that you have your wig cap when it's time to install. And they give you this little wig holder thing. This is the inside of the wig, and I'm going to be putting my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14 in lace. Then I'm going to plop it on my head. This install is going to be so quick. So this is a pre-cut lace, and as you can see, all you have to do is just put it on your head. And I did go ahead and do some tweaking to it, but because this is my initial video and my initial install, I wanted to show you guys just straight out of the packaging without cutting anything extra or anything like that. I'm adding some more foundation. And then I am positioning my wig in a way that is going to be nice and snug because this wig has no combs on the inside, so it can be super breathable and comfortable on your head. I'm parting it down the middle because I'm going to be doing a middle part, and I'm using my hot comb to flatten that out. And then I'm going to do some edges. You do not have to do this part, but I am going to do this part because I just love the way that deep wave curly type of hair look with some nice baby hairs. And if you have not checked out my previous video, I am doing like natural products to do my hair, so I'm just using like a natural gel and everything like that to do the install. I'm going to clip the hair out of the way, and then I'm going to trim the edges down so it can be more natural, and then I'll start swooping it. I'm not using no crazy glues or anything like that. Everything is going to be natural, so you know that you're protecting your skin and your body. So once it's trimmed to my liking, I'm going in with my Alake Natural Lemongrass Gel. And I love this gel because it really like holds my wig down. And this is without me even spraying it, but I did go in and add a little bit of spray for extra security. But if it's winter time, you don't even have to add any spray. So I am going to swoop the edges. I'm just using a regular comb. I'm not using an edge brush yet. I'm just swooping it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Exactly what we do every single time, that's what I'm doing. Just swoop the edges to give it a nice look. I love this part in real time, so if you're following along with me, you can see like it really takes a little bit of work to get it to look this way, but make sure you're putting it on when you're not rushing, or if you know you have to leave a certain time, do it a little bit earlier. And this is how the hair looks. I did not put any products in this hair. I just washed it with shampoo and conditioner and I left it to air dry. So this is how it looks after air drying, and I'm just going to fix up my lace using my LA Girl Toffee concealer. It's already on the brush, and then I'm using a eyelash mascara to fix up my roots. You could also just have a wand and put some black hair dye and then fix the roots that way, but this was just convenient for me, and I only use this for my wigs. I don't use it for my eyelashes. Then I'm adding a little bit more of the gel, and I put a little water in it just to kind of flatten down the top of my hair. I really need to get some mousse. That's something I need to get from Target. So yeah. And then once your hair looks like this, you're pretty good. Like there's nothing else you have to do. The hair looks super pretty. It's very low maintenance, and I wear this wig like 3 times already. I always get compliments on it. Well, from since I started wearing it outside, like I get compliments on the hair. Super pretty. It's soft, fluffy, amazing. So if you guys are interested in getting this wig, I will have all the links down below so you guys can check out Curlymehair. And I just want to show you guys it's completely glueless. I did not spray any spray on this. This is literally your wear and go wig. So if you're a low maintenance girly, I highly recommend that you check out this company. They have not disappointed me yet, and the hair is not shedding. So that's a 10 out of 10 on my board. So I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step up, setting, so I just like baby B. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy, SM, like you